Welcome back, everyone. I've got a quick one for you today. We're going to unleash your inner artist with a fun little pop art effect. And if you use it correctly, you can score some love points with that special someone in your life. We're going to start with this nice photo of a young lady. I'll click on Layers in the menu, and then select New Adjustment Layer and then Threshold. Then I'll play with this slider a bit until the image looks right to me. Right, that looks good. I only want the effect on this layer, so I'll drag and drop the adjustment layer on the image layer to get it out of the way. Next, I'm going to click on the New Pixel Layer button at the bottom of the layer panel to give me something to paint on. Then, I'll select my paintbrush tool and go to the Sprays and Spatters category. Any one of these brushes will do, but I'm picking the Watercolor Modulating Drops brush. Now, select a color on the color wheel and I'll make sure I'm on the empty pixel layer. Then, I'll just randomly paint on my canvas like a 2-year-old. This may take a while, so I'm going to make my brush head a bit bigger by clicking on the right square bracket key a few times. Now, I'll select another color and paint some more. I'm going to keep doing this until my whole canvas is covered in many different colors. You can do whatever you want with this part. It's kind of fun. Stick around to the end of the video and I'll give you a few more examples. I'll speed through this so as not to bore you. If you want something to do while you watch, you can click on those like and subscribe buttons below. Okay, now that I got my paint splatter layer done, I'll drag it down below the woman layer. Then, I'll go to my menu and select Layer. Then New Live Mask Layer and then Luminosity Range. The right-hand side controls the light parts of the image. If you drag the node down to the bottom, it will change the white to clear so you can see the paint below. That's really about it for this one. Easy breezy. Print and frame that beautiful piece of modern art and give it to the one you love. But make sure it's a picture of her and not some other woman. That won't turn out well. By the way, you can do just about anything with the background. Here are some other examples. Enjoy and have a great day.